God of destiny of helper, God of the king. Was I God? Hey, hey, Obiabawamo. Hey, oh, terrible, oh, terrible.
Have you ever been in this situation before? You are done with your client's outfit. You therefore send someone to help you iron the clothes, or you do it yourself. And it happens to be that the outfit gets burned up, just as what you can see here. In this situation, you feel so tense, you feel so worried, and you start to think, how am I going to fix this before I'll be able to deliver it? Calm down. So stay tuned as we take this video step by step. Once again, you are all welcome to Sissy Fashion. Are you new here? Is this the first time of clicking a video like this and seeing me here? You are all welcome. In this channel, we bring to you creative ideas on how to go about achieving different designs on a man's outfit of any type of outfit. So if this sounds interesting to you, you know what to do. To get us again, just hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Then go ahead and listen as we move in together. So now to the main gist. So guys, I actually came across this particular post on the internet. It has been trending. So people have been worried. They really want to know. So the person that posted this actually asked it in form of a question. What should I do about this? You can see it right there in the video. So when I came across this, I saw it fit to bring it up in this channel so that we can discuss about it as great minds in the fashion industry. Yes, so many of you have passed through different stages of fashion designing. Some of you are just coming in newly, trying to see how you can match up with fashion designing. And we have different categories of designers here. So some of them may not know what to do in a particular situation when it happens like this. So here we are going to just discuss it. Do well to find yourself in the comment section because we will have different ideas and opinions for you guys out there. So when I saw this post in a social media, first of all, what I did was to go into the comment section. Yes, I went into the comment section. I saw different suggestions, different opinions on how to go about fixing this mess, because this is actually a mess. If this happens to your important outfit, the outfit that someone needs urgently, the outfit that you were about to deliver urgently, even if it is not outfit that you want to deliver urgently, let's say it is an outfit that your clients particularly sought out the fabric somewhere else and it is not a fabric that is very common, brings it up to you, giving you the gauge that you need to complete the outfit precisely, and you work on it. Having exhausted all the fabrics, this happens to you at the end of it all. Guys, you will be frustrated. If it has happened to you, please guys, do well to start typing in how you went about overcoming such a challenge. What was the issue? Was it the fabric that you bought from the market, or was it someone's fabric that you worked on? How did it happen? Was it your personal clothes or it was your client's own? Let us know how it happens in the comment section and how you were able to overcome it. But for now, we are going to discuss it bit by bit, judging from people's suggestion and comments. So let me just go get my device and we'll go through the comments and suggestion of people step by step. Okay, guys. So right now I am there. So let us see what people had to say about this. Okay. From the first person there, the first person there says, carve out that part and replace it with another fabric, then create a design around that place, and then you are good to go. So guys, you can hear that clearly. Carve out that part. That means you have to like carve the part that was burnt, then replace it with another fabric, which means the stitches will still be there present. And now look at it very well. You can see that this fabric is really at the front of it. The design was already completed. And carving out that part would mean that it is going to be like it will show that there is something going on, something strange going on there. If it were a female's outfit, yes, it would be better because it is always easier to manipulate a female's outfit than a male outfit. actually, and this will not be neat at all if you were to do that. Even in a child's clothes, it will not be neat. Yeah, even in your own clothes, it will not be neat at all. So the only cloth that can it's this kind of a thing can be like better is a multiple colored cloth like Ankara fabric. Yes, if you were using Ankara fabric to make this kind of outfit, then it is possible to carve it out and then design it, stitch it back, stitch out and stitch it back, and it will not show. But that should even be in your own fabric, like in your own outfit. Of course, you don't even need to wear that because I don't know, guys. So what do you think? Is that a good one? Okay, so let's move to another person. I will just pick the comments that interest me, and I think you will be interested also. So another person here is saying, place a frock design on it with another material. Okay, I really don't understand that comment, but if you understand what the person is saying, you can just elaborate it there in the comment section. Another person is saying here, the material has been damaged to some extent. All you need to do is to remove the flap and then create a kind of facing on the front part of the outfit before putting back the flap. I hope the person here is referring to the plackets. Yeah. So what the person now is suggesting is the person will now remove the plackets and then create a facing, create a kind of facing on top of the outfit, then put back the flap. In this instance, there are some facings that will not, of course, there is a limit to the kind of facing you can put on your outfit. Yes. Like, how will you put a facing and it is so long to cover that point? So, guys, this is really, this is serious. Okay. So, we have another person here saying, remove the design completely and then try to play around your fabric by combining different colors to create a kind of color combination. Okay, so the person here is suggesting that the person changes the style. That's how I understand it. You change the style, you no longer put the flap, instead you add other colors to your outfits to make it a kind of color combination. But in this instance, if this was really a client's outfit and the person needed this particular style, you know that there is no way you can go about putting different designs. This is out of place from the order that you receive from the clients. So I think this is not practical in all cases. Yeah, especially when it comes to your client's outfits and the person had already made a style. Of course, it's not everybody that likes mixed color combination stuff like that when it comes to mature men clothes. So that's it. Okay, and another person have it here saying, remove the front panel completely, detach the pockets, then replace it with another front panel and continue to finishing your work. Yes, this suggestion looks somehow practical. Yeah, it's somehow practical. But what if you do not have access to this particular material, exactly the same material? We have different materials in the market. You may happen to buy a particular fabric and you are going back to buy that same fabric. It may happen to be that you don't see the same shade of color that you are carrying as a sample. I don't know if you get it. So if you did not have the remaining fabric, how would you be able to do this? A fabric that would be enough for you to replace the whole front panel. How will it be possible? Or if this fabric, as I said earlier, was sent in by a client, whereby the client obtained the fabric somewhere else where you cannot see exactly the same fabric. It's really a problem. So guys, what do you think? Because this is really, in fact, this is really confusing. This particular person is saying, I hope this is not an army man's clothes. Some people, they can be very funny. Like another person is saying, run for your life, my brother. Yeah, this is so frustrating, guys. Okay. And for the last comment that we're going to take for today, this one is saying, go get another fabric and do the work again. Okay, guys, so we've had enough. Yeah. And you have all heard different people's opinions. So if it were you, what would you do in this instance? So personally, I would still want to say something about this. Number one, you really need to be very, very careful when you are working with someone's fabric. Yes. Instead of sending someone that you are not sure of how careful the person is, why not do it yourself? Now look at this. The work is already done. And it's just about ironing it, and this mess happened. So guys, you should be more careful. You should be more careful. Then, aside from that, another suggestion would be, if you find another fabric that has the same quality, the same color, everything the same, you can still obtain the fabric and replace the front panel just as it was said by someone there. Then, if it is not possible to get the same quality, the same fabric, the same color, you have something slightly different, why not discuss with your client about what has happened and offer your client a hope of obtaining another fabric of the same color to make the outfit for them, and listen to what he will say in return. You can work together in solving these problems. Yes. Be honest about this. Let your client know what has happened, what has befallen you, and explain it vividly what you are going to do about it, like replacing the fabric or buying it. If in case of not that you are not able to see that same fabric, you can tell the client, please, where did you get the fabric? I'm going to pay for all the expenses that will make us to have the fabric back, so that we can at least replace the front panel of it, and blah blah blah. Whatever the case is, you sort it out with your client. If time factor is the problem, why not still communicate with the client, telling the client, can you still go for something different? Or just let your clients know, yes, it's actually a mistake, an avoidable mistake. This is not unavoidable. It is an avoidable mistake, because you would have avoided this mess if you had been more careful, or if you had been very selective of whom you give your work out to iron. Communicate with your clients. Open up, let them know, and then offer a hope. In some cases, some people may not want to run shortage. As such, they will not want to go extra mile to get the client's outfit fixed for them. My dear, once this has happened, be ready to spend even the interest that you would have had in the outfit. Get ready to let go the interest and also put in more money to make sure that you fix this mess. Yes, that is how it works for you. If it is an understanding client, they may offer a solution to this. But be very careful, dear designers out there, so that this may not happen to you. It can happen to anybody. Yes, we are not perfect. If you are careless, it may happen to you at any point, any given time. So guys, now that you have heard it all, I want you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. What would you do? And of all these opinions, which one interests you? Which one would you like to apply? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. I don't know if you have found anything helpful in this video. Have you? Then just hit the like button and do well to share this video to as many people as possible. Then subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll keep telling you, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell when you do so. And until I come your way, it is a bye-bye for now. So see you in my next video. Bye.